Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the oblique asymptote. So now I will show you how to find about the oblique asymptote. So we need to use about long division. That means we will put this one go to the right and this one will go to the left. So we create the long division in here. So we have 3. So that means we have 3x, because if we multiply by 3x, you will got about 3x squared in here. Later that 3x multiplied by negative number 3, you got about negative 9x. So we need to minus two equations together. Negative number 2 minus negative number 9. So you got about positive 7x. And we put negative 17 go in here. Next, we have number 7. So that means we need to multiply by number 7 in here. Number 7 go to x. So you got about 7x. Number 7 go to negative number 3. You got about negative number 21. And we need to minus two equations together. And you will got about this one minus this one, they will cancel. Negative number 17 minus negative number 21, you will got about number 4. And number 4, this is about remainder. So in this situation, we will got about 3x plus 7, and we have 4 over s minus 3. After we calculate about this one, and we can find about the oblique asymptote, that's about this one in here, and you got right the answer. That's about y equal to 3x plus 7, and we got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.